Hello and welcome to Anyload's 815BS indicator calibration video. Today we're going to be talking about our setup menu and its navigation, setting our F1 settings, which include divisions, decimal point, calibration unit, and setting max capacity, and our F3 settings, which include zero calibration and span calibration. We're going to be setting this up as if it was a bench scale. So we'll set our divisions to 5, 3 decimal places, our units to kg, and our max capacity will be 100 kg. To enter our setup menu, I'm going to press and hold 0 and tare together. It's going to ask you for a password. 0001 is the default password, but for legal for trade applications, you will require a unique password. Press tare to enter that password. To navigate the submenu, I'm going to use the units and print button, left or right respectively. I'm going to long press to move by 1.0 and short press to move by 0.1. So let's navigate to our first one, which is F1.1, and we'll press tare to enter that submenu. So we wanted to set our divisions to 5. I can navigate up and down using 0 or the gross button, up and down respectively. So we'll navigate to 5 divisions, and I'll press tare to confirm that selection. F1.2 is going to be our decimal point. It's currently set to none. We wanted ours to be set to 3 decimal places, so I'll navigate up and down using those same buttons and press tare to confirm that selection. F1.3 is our calibration unit. So we wanted this to be in kilograms, which is option 1, but you can also set this to pounds, which is option 2. Press tare to confirm. F1.4 is going to be our power-up unit. So this is going to be the unit you want displayed every time you turn on the unit. So we want ours to be kg. Your alternative unit is going to be if you want to view a different unit instead of kilograms. So you have a couple more options here, including ounces and grams. We're just going to set ours to 0, which displays nothing. Same for our second alternative unit. F1.7, we're going to set our max capacity. So we wanted to set ours to 100 kg. So I'm going to move left using units, and I'm going to navigate up and down using 0 and gross. Press tare to confirm. F1.8 is our overcapacity. We're just going to leave this at 2 divisions. F1.9 is reserve channel, so don't worry about this one. Now we're going to navigate to our F3 settings. F3.1 is our zero calibration. It's going to ask us to clear the scale. Once you've cleared the scale, press tare, and it's going to begin that calibration countdown from 10. Don't touch the scale while this is happening, just let it do its thing. So we're going to go directly to our F3.2 setting, which is our span calibration. You're going to load your test weight on the scale and press tare. And it's going to ask you for the value of that test weight. So in our case, this is just a 1 kg. So we'll navigate back down to 1, press tare to confirm that selection, and it will give us our calibration countdown. Again, don't press anything, don't touch anything while this is happening, let it do its thing. And if your reading is correct, you can press and hold 0 and tare to save that setup. So now our scale is reading correctly. We can add a few more little things on top of this. And everything looks correct. If you have any questions, please direct those to info@anyload.com and our team will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.